is the AssaultBike. Now that it's all open, I pretty much can't return this in. Make sure that you look into these and take all the stuff out of these. There's one over there too. Right there. For example, this guy. The other side has some stuff. These are the pedals. There's a box there. It's probably the computer console. Let's see here. So these. So when tightening these, you want to not tighten too hard on one side. You want to kind of tighten, until you feel a good amount of friction on each one continuously, and that's kind of how you keep it even. See, now that I feel a lot more friction. Okay. And almost there. There. So I'm assuming this is the center console. Yeah. Okay, so there's this cable. Well, it's not a cable. It's those things that you tie cables with. Or like bags at a grocery store. And I think this was meant to help the actual cable go through this metal pipe. And there's 4 screws there, and this that go connect to that, and these screws here. So I'll do that now. I notice this says airbike elite right there, which is, I'm guessing this is the same machine they use for the elite, but this is the pro. Okay, so I'm gonna connect it. And then I can move it just a little down here so I don't pinch it. I'm not tightening them all the way in. I'm just putting it on there first. screw it in just a little. Make sure there's not resistance, because then that means something's going on. All right, and then I will use a hex formation to screw these in. No, this one doesn't seem to be in. Okay. Hex formation. So what I did was, there was a hole here and I just screwed this, and then I think these are just stoppers to protect any scratching or anything on the bike. And then if you look here, there's this arm and these nails, pretty sure they go together, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I put it together. See here, there's a nut there, a nut there, here a nut, there a nut, everywhere anyway. And then I have these two, and what I am doing is I'm just making sure they're tight, you know? I'm not putting too much force, but I want to make sure it's not going to come apart when I'm exercising. So and then don't forget this one. Okay, so just wanted to show you that it's level. You can see that. I'm just gonna tighten it. So I was wondering why it's so wobbly, and it's not just the screws I was screwing, it's also these. Make sure this is good and tight, and make sure this is good and tight, and then this will be less wobbly. I didn't show this before, but I screwed this in. Let me find the machine, where's the tool? Let's see. In my pocket. Oh, okay. These pedals, I forgot about them. I'll just put them in here. There's L for left and R for right. No biggie. Quick fixed. There's little indentations right there that you can use to screw it in or tighten it. I mean, whoa, this too small, this too big. This gotta be it. Yeah, I made a mistake. I was like, why is it so hard to reach these? And if you can see, that's my right side, but there's an L sticker there. It's my left side. There's an R sticker there. So I got to switch them around. Let's go. So this is how it's supposed to be. The right is on the right, and the left is on the left. So it's a lot more closer, which makes a lot more sense. So now I can adjust the seat to my liking.